Have you ever stopped to consider the importance of a clean mattress? It's not just about aesthetics, but it's also about your health. Today we are going to take you through an easy-to-follow process of keeping your mattress clean and fresh. First, it's crucial to maintain your mattress regularly. Change your sheets weekly, rotate your mattress every month, and flip it every 3 months. Avoid liquids near your mattress and always use a mattress protector. Regular vacuuming and controlling room temperature can also help to maintain cleanliness. And don't forget to air out your mattress from time to time to prevent mold. Stains and spills can happen. When they do, remove the bedding, vacuum the mattress, and clean the stains. After cleaning, let the mattress air out. You can also use steam or baking soda and apply a light antibacterial spray to sanitize and disinfect the mattress. Odors can also be a problem. To tackle them, mix water, vinegar, laundry detergent, baking soda, and disinfectant. Dab this solution on stains and wipe. Sprinkle more baking soda and leave it overnight. In the morning, vacuum and use an anti-odor spray if needed. Remember to treat your mattress cover with care. Check the care tag and machine wash it regularly. If you have a memory foam mattress, you'll need to remove stains, vacuum, spray with a detergent solution, air it out, sprinkle with baking soda, and vacuum again. For those stubborn stains like blood or vomit, there are specific steps to follow. For blood stains, dab with cool water, apply a salt and baking soda paste, brush off after 30 minutes, and try a hydrogen peroxide and dish soap mix if necessary. For vomit stains, remove solids, wash the bedding, dab with a dry cloth, apply hydrogen peroxide, use baking soda, leave overnight, and vacuum. Airing out your mattress is an essential step. Remove all bedding, vacuum the mattress, and air it outside on a sunny day for 3 to 4 hours. And if you need to store your mattress, vacuum it, use a breathable cover, store it horizontally on its base, avoid placing weight on it, and clean and disinfect it before use. To summarize, maintaining a clean mattress involves regular maintenance, effective stain removal, odor control, and proper storage. A clean mattress not only looks good, but also contributes to a healthier sleeping environment. So go ahead and give your mattress the care it deserves. Here's to many nights of restful, refreshing sleep on your clean and cozy mattress.